Hi, this video is here to help you solve one-step equations using algebra. An equation is a mathematical statement that shows two mathematical expressions are equal. This is shown using an equal symbol. An equation is different from an expression because in an equation, the algebraic letter will have a set value. Let's start with the equation x plus 5 equals 9. We can use a balance scale and cubes to represent this equation. We will use an interlocking cube to represent x and a base 10 ones cube to represent 1. On one side of the equation we have x plus 5. We can represent this using one interlocking cube and 5 base 10 ones cubes. On the other side we have 9. We can represent this using 9 base 10 ones cubes. We want to find out what x is equal to. We can add or subtract cubes from the balance scales as long as we do the same to both sides to keep it equally balanced. If we take 5 blue cubes away from each side of the scale, we will be left with the green interlocking cube representing x on its own on one side and 4 blue cubes representing 4 on the other. Therefore, x is equal to 4. We used the inverse operation to find the value of x. Our original equation was x plus 5 equals 9. The inverse of addition is subtraction, so we subtracted 5. We can represent an equation as a bar model like this. We know that the whole subtract a part equals the other part, so we can subtract 5 from 9 to find that x equals 4. Can you draw a bar model to represent and solve the equation y subtract 3 equals 6? Pause here and have a go. This is what your bar model should have looked like. The inverse of subtraction is addition, so we can find the value of y by adding 3 to each side of the equation. In this equation, y equals 9. Let's take a look at our next question. This time we have the equation 3n equals 36. We can represent this in a bar model like this. Remember, 3n is the same as 3 multiplied by n. To find the value of n, we need to divide by 3, as division is the inverse of multiplication. 36 divided by 3 equals 12, so n equals 12. Use a bar model or the inverse operation to find the value of a if a divided by 5 equals 6. Pause here until you're ready to check your answer. Did you work out that a was equal to 30? We can check if our answer is correct by substituting our value for a back into the equation. So, 30 divided by 5 equals 6. Now it's time for a challenge. Aisha is twice as old as her brother Sam. When their ages are added together, the total is 12. How old are Aisha and Sam? Can you write an equation to help solve this problem? Use A to represent Sam's age. Unpause the video if you need a clue. You can start by representing Aisha's age using algebra. We know that Aisha is twice as old as Sam, so we can represent her age as 2a. Draw a bar model to help if you need to. Pause again if you want to have more time to solve the problem. From the bar model, we can see that we can find the value of a by dividing 12 by 3. 12 divided by 3 equals 4, so a equals 4. This means that Sam's age is 4 and Aisha's age is 8. I hope this helped you understand how to solve one-step equations. If you're looking for more maths help, then we've got lots more of these videos on the Twinkl website, so why not go and check them out?